10 passive income ideas you can start with $100. Hey there, financial freedom seekers! Welcome to Ash Cash Stash. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income. And guess what? You don't need $1 million to get started. Just a little bit of creativity, a little bit of hustle, and a whole lot of $100. But before we get started, this is Ash Cash Stash. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more interesting financial stories and information. Now, let's start. Let's explore 10 passive income ideas that can turn your $100 into a steady stream of cash. Number 1. Digital products. First up, let's talk about digital products. Remember the time I tried to sell my old socks online? Yeah, not a great business plan. But digital products are a different story. You can either do ebooks, write an ebook on a topic you're knowledgeable about, and sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or your own website. You can also do online courses. Teach a skill you're passionate about and create a course to sell on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. And you can also do templates or designs. If you're creative, design templates or digital assets and sell them on marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market. Just make sure your content is so good and people will pay for it. Number 2. Dividend Stocks. Now, let's get a little more traditional. Dividend stocks. Think of them as your personal little cash cows. You invest your $100 and they give you back a little bit of moolah every now and then. Just make sure you do your research. You don't want to end up with a cash cow that's actually a goat. Number 3. YouTube channel. Who doesn't love a good YouTube binge? Well, you can turn that love into money. Start a channel, share your passion, and monetize it with ads or sponsorships. Just be prepared for a lot of cat videos in your recommendations. Number 4. Blog. If you're more of a writer than a performer, a blog is your ticket to passive income. Share your thoughts, your expertise, or even your life story. And don't forget to monetize it with ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Just make sure your blog is more interesting than my grocery list. Number 5. Real estate crowdfunding. Ever dreamed of being a landlord without the hassle? Real estate crowdfunding is your answer. Invest in properties with other people and let the rental income roll in. Just make sure you don't accidentally rent your apartment to a ghost. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the Subscribe Squad. Like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified and stay tuned for awesome content. Don't forget to share this video too, for you might help some friends. Now, let's continue with our topic. Number 6. Create a print-on-demand product. You can also design a product, for example, t-shirts or mugs, and sell it to platforms like Printful or Redbubble. When someone buys your product, it's printed and shipped directly to them. Number 7. Rent out unused items. If you have items you're not using frequently, consider renting them out on platforms like Airbnb for rooms or entire homes. Or if you are into cosplaying or just want to rent out some clothes you barely use Rent the Runway or even the marketplaces or groups in other social media platforms. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Partner with companies and promote their products or services on your blog, social media, or email list. You can earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Number 9. Invest in peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals or businesses through platforms like Prosper or Lending Club. You can earn interest on your loans, which can provide a steady passive income stream. And last but not the least, create a Patreon account. If you have a following on social media or a blog, create a Patreon account to receive monthly contributions from your supporters in exchange for exclusive content or perks. So there you have it, 10 passive income ideas that can turn your $100 into a financial windfall. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable income stream that allows you to live life on your own terms. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be so rich you can buy a real cash cow. Until next time, this is Ash Cash Stash. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share. See you on the next episode. Keep hustling and keep growing your wealth. And remember, even a small step can lead to big rewards.